This 2023 Forest River Solera 3.2 DSK is a Class C RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 32 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 8, stovetop burner, refrigerator, water heater, TV antenna, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, LP detector, air conditioning, TV, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, U-shaped dinette. This 2023 Forest River Solera 3.2 DSK is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.